Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. I'm back again here to teach you how to recycle the plastic cups of the wax puller or fabric conditioner. I have here a different Christmas decoration. This can be hung in the Christmas tree. I have here some samples that I have created. Look at this. This one is made from the plastic cups of this fabric conditioner. You can use this one. Look at this. This is the plastic cups of this. This one is a gold color. This one from the fabric conditioner of Tandel, a product of Aldi supermarket. And we have another one, this red one. This is a floor cleaner. So this one, this red one, this is the plastic cups. You can remove this one and you can use it. You can see this is the red color, this one. And this also, the green one, is made from the plastic cups. And this yellow or gold is from these plastic bottles of fabric conditioner. And this one also is the red color from the floor cleaner, is a product of Dinner Supermarket. Okay, I think this is a product of Dinner Supermarket. And now I'm going to show you the materials that we're going to use for this decoration. This is like a bell, and you can hang this one in your Christmas tree. Okay, so all we need is this cotton thread, so that you can use for hanging your Christmas decorations. And we need, look at this, you can use different types of ribbon, the glitters or with the printed one. And we need this crystallized. You can cut this crystallized like this. And we need a glue stick, a scissor, and a hot glue gun. Okay, then now then we need also a Christmas balls. I have already here a Christmas balls. I cut out a piece of cotton thread and I fix it in the balls, and I fix with the hot glue here. Look, I put the hot glue inside and fix it. And also here on the top, I cut out like this size, just cut out like this and fix it with the glue like this and fix it here. So I have here a plastic cups of the fabric conditioner also. So just like this, you just press it by your finger and it will look like this. Okay, then this is ready to be decorated. Okay, so this one I'm going to show you how to decorate this one. Okay, let's start. So this one I'm going to decorate with this kind of ribbon, this polka dots. This one I'm going to start from here and just like this. Okay, just simply wrap around like this and fix it here in the end. So this is very easy project, and the materials is not so expensive. And fix it here and fix again on the another side. just put a glue in the center and at the end. And then cut at the end of the ribbon, and it looks like this. Okay, so then I'm going to cover again this side. Since I started it here, so I will also start the same line from this one. Okay, just a little bit of glue. So this is it. Look at here. So I'm going to put a crystallize in here, okay? So that it will look beautiful, okay? You don't need to cover all this one because this one is a silver color of the bottle caps is a silver color. So I just cover it. I just fix it on the center. Okay? So this is all very easy. We will just remove this glue that touch here. So this is already our project. It is very simple. Look at this. So I have already here. Look. So now this is already our project. Look at this. The other one is like this because this is green color. Look. And this is silver. Look. And this is so easy to create. And the other design, the same procedure, you have to cover only with the use of another uh, golden ribbon, and you put a crystallize here and cover also here. And this one you will cut this one, this golden one, you have to cut it like this and fold it, cut it here, fold, and fix it into the inside to the bottle caps, okay, so that it will be hanging this one like this, okay. And this one also, the same procedure, you have to cover it with the use of the silver color. Cover it here, this one, and also here, and cover. And this one is a crisp as a pearl lace, this one, this one. So you can fix it with the glue here and wrap around. You can buy this one from the bead shop or in any shop that is selling Christmas decoration. They have this one. I bought this decoration from the TD market in Austria, and this is each of these packet or its rooms, it's only more than €1 something. Some is €2. So it depends. So this is our project for today. So I hope you get an idea on how to recycle the plastic bottle or plastic cups of the floor cleaner and fabric conditioner. Okay, so this is how to recycle plastic waste at home, and now you can create a very simple and unique Christmas decorations. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up, leave a comments, and share this video. And please click the notification bell so that you will be updated each time I will upload my new videos. Dankeschön, maraming salamat, at advance Merry Christmas. Greetings from S.G.M from Switzerland. Don't forget S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. Bye-bye! And dito na ang aking mga ready-made project for my Christmas tree. Ciao! Bye-bye!